Ibrahim Amael. Today is June 28th, 2016. I'm alive. It is the freaking 30 started my big Friday, and we were on a bus earlier, and yes, we did it. We went to the mall. I need to yesterday. I bought me new shoes and gloves. Look live, not it.
You say cool life?
Even it's the freaking 30 started now. This is Aaron on the AI Aaron. Whoa, what fell off? Aaron looking dope. You look asshole. No. Eat four. First, and third, and fourth. These one right here is all up man. What? Yeah. Oh, I did that.
Wasn't it around the time we were trying to name their family? Wasn't it around the time we were trying to name their family? Was reading her last post on her Facebook. She said my little family's going to the mall for some family shopping.
Radioactive.
Then she posted December 11th.
I'm doing.
I have not gotten a lot done yet because it's okay because my wonderful hubby, you know how time was from early morning shopping.
Happy yacht. Not yet. No, yeah, and give me one.
Move, Michael.
But let me.
You can walk around that way. You don't have to walk around this way.
Yes, I can. Yep. First. Yeah. Eat this. I'm like, ew. This all like, ew. Ew. By the way, yeah, Alice is right there. I said, order down. Day. Day. This is the basement. Walk down a little bit there. One. You my foot. No. Undo. Undo this one. Look. One. Two. Three. 4, 5. What? Keep that Alright, yeah. Do me, wait. Here we go. One, two, three, 4. You're Adrian.
But that scared me.
If you around like a real Mexican baby. One girl. I got Mark.
It's like one burp for my ass. I'm sitting trying to. What do you think? I'm just trying to burp it out. Like one burp.
Goodbye. You waiter. Have a great day. Nope.